I'm going to show you how easy it is to replace the fuel line on your weed eater. Most weed eaters have a 3/32 ID, that's the inside diameter, and a 3/16 OD, outside diameter. So I'm going to show you what I had to replace here. If you look at my weed eater, I had to replace this line right here, this yellow line. And also the black line is the same size. So first what you want to do is drain the gas out of it. And go ahead and remove this little hose. And then you look in your kit and you find the right size that you need. And one of the most important things is some scissors. Make sure you cut it at a 45 degree or 30 degree, but just cut it at an angle. And the reason you're cutting it at an angle is so that the sharp end would be able to fit in the hole, because the hole in the tank is smaller than the holes that you're going to be putting in there. So I'm going to show you, it's at an angle, you push it in. And you can get some WD-40 or whatever, but mine's already lubricated because it's a gas and oil mixture. And you could take your tweezers or your needle nose pliers. You see I'm using tweezers because I let somebody use my needle nose pliers and they never returned them. So don't loan out your tools. But once you get it in there, you can take your needle nose pliers or tweezers and pull it on through. I pull mine through about 1/4 of an inch or a little more. And then I measure what size I need. And I cut it. And once you cut it, you just slide the other end on that nozzle right there, and you're really done. And if you like to purchase any of these hoses or stuff, look in the description below. And that's really simple to do. Like I said, the most important part of this is cutting it at a 45 degree angle or 30 degree angle. Because if you don't cut it at an angle, you will have problems getting that thing in. As you can see right there, you can see the yellow hose is pushed through about 1/4 to 3/8 of an inch. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.